Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in fitness challenges with Strava, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Strava app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the main interface. Navigate to the Explore tab located at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to find the Challenges section. Tap on Challenges to view the available fitness challenges. You will see various challenges categorized by distance, duration, or specific activities. Select a challenge that interests you to see more details. Review the requirements and goals outlined for the challenge. Check the start and end dates to ensure you can participate. Tap the Join button to enroll in the challenge. Once joined, track your progress by logging your workouts. Record your activities by syncing your device or manually entering workouts. Monitor the leaderboard to see how you compare with other participants. Stay motivated and engaged through community interactions in the challenge. Complete the challenge within the designated time frame. Celebrate your achievement when you meet the challenge goals. Share your success on social media to inspire others. Continue exploring other challenges to keep your fitness journey exciting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.